In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create watermark in Canva. So let's get started. You can create watermark using text or using your brand logo. First of all, I will show you how to create watermark using text. In the left hand panel, click on text, then add a heading, and you can use your name or brand name as a watermark. I will use my name as a watermark. You can change the font style and color and font size as well. I will change the font style first, and I will also change the color of font white because white is perfect for watermark. And I will increase the size as well. You can change style as you're needed. To reduce transparency, click on opacity tool, click on that, and decrease the transparency value around 30 to 40. And you can also copy this watermark text 2 or 3 times as you want. Now I will show you how to create watermark using your logo. Upload for your watermark text. We have to reduce our text transparency. Select your logo. Make sure your logo is transparent. Drag your logo at your design. Now I will change the opacity of this image. Click on transparency tool and decrease the value of transparency near about 30 to 40. You can also duplicate this logo 2 or 3 times. That's how we can create watermark in Canva. If this video is helpful, please subscribe our channel.